Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll make urad dal ki puri or black gram dal puri. This puri is perfect if you are traveling somewhere and you want to keep some food with you. And this puri doesn't need anything with it. You can eat this plain or with some pickle. So let's start. I'm taking half cup of urad dal and soak it for 3 to 4 hours. After that I'll wash it and grind it to fine paste. You can add some water because while preparing dough we are going to mix this paste with our flour. Now I'll grind it to fine paste and let's see what are the other ingredients. I am taking 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour, half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, and 2 tablespoons of semolina. I have taken fine semolina. Here I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of anise seed, 1/4 teaspoon of onion seeds or kalonji, handful of mint leaves chopped, and half teaspoon of chili powder, our black gram dal or urad dal paste, salt according to your taste, and some oil to prepare the dough. Now in a mixing bowl, I'll take whole wheat flour, maida or all-purpose flour and semolina. Add salt according to your taste and then add 2 tablespoons oil and mix it well so that there won't be any lumps. And after that, we'll mix the other ingredients. Now I have mixed oil nicely with the flour and I'm going to add chili powder, onion seed, anise seed, mint leaves and mix it nicely. After that I'll add the urad dal paste. You can add some water while grinding the urad dal. And I have taken lukewarm water to prepare my dough because lukewarm water will help to keep your puri soft. If you are preparing this puri for traveling purpose, then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar here. That will work as a preservative in your puri. Now I have prepared my dough and I'll just cover it and I'll leave it for 30 minutes. After that I'll again mix it nicely and then I'll make my puri. Now after 30 minutes my dough is already ready, but I'll just mix it nicely once again so that it will be soft and smooth. So I am going to add 1 teaspoon of oil so that it won't stick to my hand. So now my dough is fully ready for puri. I'll make small balls out of this dough and then I'll roll it in round shape. You can roll it in oval shape or round shape. This puri, if you keep little thick, then it will be more soft. Now I am going to keep a pan and I'll take some oil to deep fry my puris. I'll keep it on high heat and then I'll roll my puris. I'll use few drops of oil to roll my puris. I usually do not use flour while rolling my puris because the extra flour on your puri will be deposited on your oil and after that it will stick to other puris and it looks black also. So I don't use flour. So now I have rolled my puris. I'll check whether my oil is heat or not. Now I'll take a small ball of the dough and I'll put in oil. If it leaves lots of bubble immediately, then your oil is heat. But now my dough doesn't leave lots of bubbles, so my oil is not heat. So I'll wait for some more time and I'm going to heat it little more. I increased my heat and I'll wait for some time. And now my oil is hot and after adding puri to hot oil, just tap on it so that it will pop up nicely and fry it till it's golden brown from both the sides. This puri is a nice option if you are traveling outside and you don't need anything with it. I like this puri plain without anything, but you can try with pickle also. With tea also you can take this. If you have leftover puris, next day you can try it with tea. since we have added so many spices and mint leaf, this gives nice flavor and taste to this puri. If you are trying to make it for party purpose and you have lots of guests at home, the measurement should be for 1 kg of flour. You should take 250 grams of urad dal or black gram dal and 1 kg of flour, and out of that 1 kg flour, 750 grams should be your whole wheat flour and 250 gram is your all purpose flour or maida. And you can add like 1/4 cup of fine semolina or the coarse semolina, whatever is available with you. And now you can see my puri is ready. I am going to serve this with simple chole recipe, which is also available in my channel. You can check chole recipe also. But I'll suggest just serve it plain or only with pickle, then only you will get the real taste of this puri. You definitely try this recipe and write your comment in my channel and let me know how it came out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all new recipes.